Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm back here with my Rossi Bravo, and I'm doing a little more in depth on it. And at the end of this, I have a video of me shooting it at the range. Now, safety sallies. I'm going to show you that it's unloaded. But before I do that, I want to show you something that I initially didn't realize when I got it. Okay, right now it's on safe, black safe, red fire. When it's on safe, you can't actually open the chamber all the way. Just a little FYI for you. So, now it's open all the way, but this is a tube-fed weapon. As opposed to most, if you open up chamber, show chamber clear, you're good. But with this, there could be rounds in there. So, you just want to make sure you do it a few times. Put it back on safe. Now, with this Rossi, I wanted a 22 lever action for a while. Had one a while back, but ended up having to sell it for X, Y, or Z. I don't really remember what the reason was for it. But I saw this at Rural King, and it was $250, and I just couldn't pass it up. It does come with, let's see if I can show them on here, the fiber optic sights. It is, as I said, tube fed, 16 rounds of 22 long rifle. From what I've read online and seen in other YouTube videos, it will chamber and fire 22 shorts without issue. It does about 20 rounds of that. Haven't seen anybody with long. Long is really hard to find. It does have M-lock up here on the front, so you can put whatever you would want, but I don't really know what you'd want other than a swivel mount, because it does have a rear swivel mount, but it does not have a front one. It is super accurate. There's zero recoil, and it is super quiet shooting it. Sorry that the light keeps kind of fading in and out. High-speed phones. Had no real issues with this. I think I maybe had one. No, I don't think I had any failure to ejects. If you watched, I don't know if I'm going to do my Glock 44 video before this one or vice versa, but I use Blazer 40 grain, Arms Core 36 grain, and then the gold standard CCI mini bag 40 grain copper plated. It shot all of them. The nice thing with the lever actions is these things will eat anything. From the crappiest stuff to the best stuff. And yeah, it's a dang good weapon to have. Rossi does make quality firearms. They're inexpensive, but they are not cheap, if you understand on that. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the shooting at the range. If you have any questions, please let me know. Like, comment, subscribe. If you have an extra dollar or two and you'd be willing to consider joining my membership, I would appreciate it to be able to help me to afford to do these videos. And if not, I understand completely, because times are tough right now. And you guys stay safe, stay frosty, and I will see you guys later.
you're going to get?
Sure.